Hey, so in English, we use the word bit quite often. We might say, I was a bit angry, I was a bit sad, I was a bit hungry. I'm going to give you some expressions with the word bit, some idioms, expressions that you can use that might be a little bit different. A bit of Now, when something is a bit of something, it means it's not really that serious or important. So you might have a cut in your hand and somebody say, hey man, what happened to your hand? You say, yeah, had a bit of an accident in the kitchen, chopping carrots, for example. The next one is not a bit. And not a bit means absolutely not. So you have an exam coming up, your friend says to you, hey, are you nervous about the exam? You go, not a bit. I got all this under control. You also might do your bit, okay? And to do your bit is to contribute something to a cause or to something. So you say, I do my bit for the environment by recycling, separating the glass from the plastic, etc., etc. Now be careful with the word bit, because in the UK, if you use the plural bits, it can mean genitalia, as in the plural. So you might say, or see a picture of Adam and Eve and say, hey look, Adam and Eve have a leaf that covers their bits. Well, I hope you learned a little bit today.